Hey fellow gamers, welcome to Gaming Basics, your one-stop solution for mastering the essentials. Let's dive in and level up together. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add friends in Destiny 2. To do so, you first need to open up a web browser on your device and then go to this website called bungie.net. So once you're in this website, click on Destiny 2 and then go to this Friends tab, which is this icon right here on the top right side of your screen. So here you are. This is Bungie Friends. So the next thing you need to do is click on Import Friends. So as you can see, you can import friends from Epic Games, Xbox Live, PlayStation Network, or Steam. So the next thing you need to do is add friends via any of these platforms right here. And once you do that, all you need to do is link those platforms to your Bungie account. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up. And if you have any questions for us, please feel free to mention us in the comment section down below. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest guides and tutorials. This has been your host Ace. Happy gaming!